and that didn't work. So let's try again. Let's sit that up on the gate post. Hello folks, nice of you to come and join us again. We've got the Blackburne out today, and got one or two little jobs to do on it. Spring has finally arrived, although that is a little bit cold today. Glad you've come and found my channel. Hopefully you'll be able to join us a bit more often and see what we can do. The last video that we did, tail end of last summer I think it was, that was just a video of me riding my Velocet, and we just went up to Norman Cross, 20 something or other miles away. We'd had problems with it, as you saw in the first video. It wasn't behaving properly. That was a missing spark plug and one or two other bits and pieces, but we got them sorted out, and then we went out for a ride on it. So like I say, we dragged the Blackburne out today. Want to have a look around it. So the Blackburne is loosely based on 1924. It's certainly a 1924-ish engine, and that's a little bit of a bitzer. So it's a Blackburne engine, possibly in a Triumph frame. But the jobs we've got to do today, this fuel tap. That was a cheap Chinese copy because the old one failed. Not very good. The lever worked back to front, and as you can see, the lever actually is fallen off. And I had to mark it because on the lever down was off and sideways was on, and it worked all back to front, and I wasn't very happy with it. In the flywheel here we've got a spare key to put in because that sheared the other week when I did manage to get a ride out with some friends, so we've got to have the flywheel off, and we'll see what we can do on there. We've managed to get out of Villiers Spares in Birmingham some nice fuel taps. So there's a traditional push-pull one, or a lever type one. Hang on a second, let's get them out of the packet and have a proper look. That's better, you'll be able to see them better now. So there we are, there's a nice on-off one, and there's a push-pull one. Hopefully I've got the right size. Let's have a look, see what we can do. Might have to drain a bit of petrol out of it first, but yeah, we'll see what we can do and have a watch. Let's plug the shoe back on here. Now, what are we going to do on here? Well, I think the first thing to do is put a bit of rag down. I don't think there's a lot of petrol in it. That was done in there. Oh, well, that's a result. That's not so good. That ain't going to fit on there. Bother. That's a different size. Different size altogether. Yep, that ain't going to fit. Oh well, that's blown that idea up.